and gentlemen, welcome to Power Drift. I'm at the Auto Expo 2016 at the Renault stall, and you clicked into the video to have a look at the all-new Duster. Let's not waste any more time and quickly get going. So that's the first concept at the Renault stall for the EOLab. This one is going to run 100 kilometers with 1 liter of fuel, so it's in direct competition to the Hero Honda Splendor. Another interesting looking car, it's a concept called the Kwid Climber. Off-road version of the Kwid. It's got off-road tires, flared wheel arches and some aggressive styling. But again, it's just a concept, just for the fun of it. And there it is. That's the new Duster. We'll have a look at the outside, but let's quickly get into the car. That's how the Renault looks from the inside. You have a new center console. The audio unit looks to be borrowed from the 4x4 Duster. And now the biggest change lies in here. Look, there is no clutch pedal. That is because this one is an AMT transmission, a 6-speed AMT transmission. On the other changes, this one now gets cruise control. On the outside, it gets new rails, and it's got an all-new design front. So you have new headlamps, a new grille, a redone bumper, and fog lamps. You also have new ORVMs which have indicators on them and are electrically foldable. If you have a quick look at the back of the car, we have new design tail lamps also, and it goes like a thumb rule. If you redo your headlamps, you redo your tail lamps as well. There looks to be slight change to the rear bumper, and the car seems to have gained some more muscle. But ladies and gentlemen, let's draw the attention to this fact. Renault already knows that in the diesel market there was the Tread automatic which was already in. So if they had to challenge it with an automatic, they had to beat the price. Probably that is the reason for the AMT to come in. But the AMT here is a 6-speed transmission, not a 5-speed transmission. And as you would probably already know, the 82 bhp version of the Duster comes only with a 5-speed. So I'm guessing this is a 110 bhp model. We don't have an update on that yet. The car is going to be launched sometime mid-2016. So that's it from now. I'll have to sign off. And before I do, well, here it is. The little baby from the Renault store, the new Kwid. It's a 1 liter Kwid. We've done a separate video for that. You could click it in. This is Sharan signing off. Goodbye. Take care. That's the new Duster. We'll have a look at the outside, but let's quickly get into the car. Excuse me? So could you quickly come out for a second? So that's how the Renault looks from the inside.